Let's look at this one and see what the situation might be. So as x approaches 3, 2x squared plus 4x minus 30 divided by x squared minus 9. Now I happen to notice that that bottom is the difference of squares. And that really starts to make me think, I bet if I factor, I bet I can remove a point. So from algebra, a squared minus b squared is a plus b or a minus b. Or you can write it the other way, doesn't it? A minus b, a plus b. And that's a pretty good hint something is happening here. So I'm wondering if I can't use that to my advantage. So I have x plus 3, x minus 3, and I'm wondering that if I can't factor that numerator with either x plus 3 or x minus 3, I bet one of those gets reduced, just from the context of a math problem here. For 2x squared plus 4x minus 30, one way we could factor this is we could use the quadratic formula. The other way is AC method, and the other way would be completing the square. So that's 3 ways we could do this. So if you want, you could complete the square or quadratic formula, or maybe AC method would work. Wondering which one I should do. If I was you, I would say just do quadratic formula, but I kind of want to see if the AC method would work, and it would also give me an excuse to review it with you. So I kind of want to just review this other method. Again, this is algebra, but sometimes we need to review algebra. So what are the factors of negative 60 which add to 4? Well, there's all kinds of factors of 60, like 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 4 and 15. So negative 60 adds to 4. And if we have that, then we can go 2x squared minus 6x plus 10x minus 30. And from there, we can pick our pairs. I'm going to pick these two and these two. And so we have the limit as x approaches 3, and I'll factor out what I can. Looks like I can factor out a 2x, and that leaves behind x minus 3. And I can factor out a 10, which leaves behind x minus 3 over x plus 3, x minus 3. So that's the limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3, 2x plus 10 over x plus 3, x minus 3. And to no surprise, one of those reduces. Okay, so now we have our removed point there. And what does that mean? It means we have 2 times 3 plus 10 over 3 plus 3. And there it is. Okay, so that's AC method. To do that, you multiply the coefficient, first coefficient times the last, and you can get it. Otherwise, you can use the quadratic formula.